Guys, my name is Shashank, and today in this video I'm going to show you a very interesting, simple, no, it's not simple, bit of complicated, but a time-based Excel quiz sheet which not only store your data, which not only show you that whether you have passed your examination or not, but it also generate a certification of completion after you pass or fail your examination, whatever it, right? So let us see how this sheet works and what are the features and how you can create your own sheet. Although I'm not going to explain everything in detail, but this is just an overview of this sheet and the features. The moment you open this worksheet or the quiz sheet, you will get this pop-up message that this is a time-based quiz and the timer will start the moment you press yes. If you press yes, the timer will start, this timer here will start, and if you press no, the sheet will close, right? So let's see, press yes. You see, the timer has started working. And these are the basic information, your personal information. You have to enter your personal information here, your name, your employee number, and this is the fixed information which you don't have to change. Either you can lock it or you can leave it because it is not going to hamper any of the process or the progress of the Excel quiz. So these are the two buttons, submit and display, right? The moment you hit submit button after completion of your all the questions, the timer will stop and the sheet will get locked and you won't be able to alter or change your responses. So this is the feature. And after you have submitted your responses, now you want to display your score, you will hit the display score and you will be given a certificate with your passing marks, whatever the score you have achieved or not, right? So now let's see. Okay, so this is in the top bar. You can see there is a progress bar which will show you how many questions you have attempted out of total questions. So total questions I have attempted are 16, right? And total questions in this sheet are 30. You can increase and decrease as per your requirement, but you have to tweak and make some changes in the Excel sheet. So this is the user interface in which the user will interact, and this is the backend data where the data will get stored. So these are the questions and these are the correct responses against those questions, and these are the responses received from this sheet, right? The answers which you have given. So this here you have to write the question and here you have to add the answers, and here the user will enter the correct response and this will be turned into correct or wrong response using this if statement, right? So it will store and convert the data into right and correct and wrong, and here it will calculate how many correct responses has been received from this sheet. There are 5, and how many questions has been attempted, 16, and what is your score, 25, and what is the percentage, it's 17%, right? So this is the backend data. Okay, so let's see that you have submitted your responses, completed your quiz, and now you want to submit your response. So let's see how it works. The moment I hit submit, it will give you a message, a warning that you won't be able to change your answers. So if I hit yes, the timer will stop and the sheet will get locked. So you won't be able to change any of response. So now finally you have submitted your response, and now you want to see whether you have passed or not. You can simply go to the display score. It will give you a certificate of completion. So this is the certificate. It will ask you where you want to save it. I want to save it at desktop, and now hit save, and it will generate your certificate of completion. This is to certify that has successfully passed basic examination with 70%. So these lines you can change as per your requirement, whatever you want, right? Successfully attempted and has scored so many percentage of marks. So these are the basic requirements, basic functions, right? So let me close this sheet and come back and we'll see how it will look when I open this sheet, right? I saved it, closed it. Now I'm going back to my if I open this sheet and how it will behave. So let us see. So the moment I open my worksheet, I will get 2 responses, whether you want to continue or not. So if I hit yes, the timer will start as I explained, but if I hit no, it will ask you to save or don't save, so let it don't save. The sheet will close. Now we again open it, and this time we will see that what are the codes which has been used in this sheet to add all these features here. So for that I will first of all go to the developer tab, and here is Visual Basic. So these are the codes. This is the code which will run the moment I open my sheet. It will ask me to yes for whether to continue or whether to close the sheet, right? And this is where the sheet will get locked after I hit the submit button. And this is where the timer is working. This is a timer, this is a stop timer, and this is a reset timer. Every time I close my worksheet, the timer will again reset to 20 minutes, right? And these are the codes which will again lock the worksheet after 20 minutes automatically. So this is the code to generate your certificate, to convert it into the PDF file, right? So let me show you one more thing. So this code, simple line here, even if you do not hit submit button and you are running out of time and you could not complete your exam within 20 minutes, after 20 minutes the sheet will get locked automatically whether you hit submit button or not, right? So these are the features, simple features, right? So let me hit submit here. Yes, so timer is locked, sheet is locked. This is how the sheet will work. Thank you very much, and if you're interested in how to create the sheet, text me in the text me on my WhatsApp number, which is given in the description box, or if you want the sheet, do let me know. Thank you very much.